to you. So, Nisha is sick. I don't know what get her sick or what, but right now it's sick, taking care of sick. Next thing too is like today, I guess I'm cooking today. I'm doing laundry. So, all work is on me. I'm doing all that, and I'm taking care of the sick also. What different to me? So I go, I buy meat and come on. Yo, you come see I do. Okay. I think halfway I don't know what new.
Mine?
Yeah. Look cute when you sit down. Yo! So I'm gonna take care of lunch, you know. Sister, yeah? Fish soup. Or fish stew.
Ready feed?
Yeah.
You can put your game and throw in and if you're ready, put in another.
What do you mean? Yo, shit. This I can prove. When I see Kenya more than anything else.
You put pepper in it?
No.
I can't have pepper.
I don't know. Oh, I'm gonna check if they have no medicine in on face sore throat or something.
I think there's like a DPH for cold, no?
Yeah, one red one, and a red box.
Yeah.
The one on it?
Yeah.
Curry chicken. Where's she gone?
Thanks. Are you videoing me?
Yeah,
Why?
I have to catch everything as you say, right? Did you get pillar ready?
Yeah.
One more?
One more what?
Yeah, I might get like night one in my get like 2 pack of the night.
2 pack in which night?
No, you gotta take 1 night.
Oh.
So that's.
Pass me pepper. Tastes good, by the way.
That was coming.
Your fried chicken never tastes good.
Huh?
When does your fried chicken never taste good?
I don't make finish up. I'm just season it.
Oh, that coming out?
Yeah.
It tastes nice.
Make sure me use okra the man say night also.
Yeah, that tastes nice. I think I'm gonna shower though. I need to shower. My body hurts.
Oh yeah. You should do a shower first too. Although it don't really matter still. So this year I run from to get sick though.
Huh?
I know. I run from to get sick and you get sick now.
I know. I might have been feeling it though.
I'll pick up this. Pick up the toilet. So yeah. Go pick up the thing that I made this morning. Pick up the laundry them also. So I'm actually doing another load right now. Yeah, so I'm just doing another load right now. Pack up on the hand. And I'm gonna pin out one next load. Are you pago jump?
I'm here, guys. Had this headache for the past, I don't know how much days now.
3 days. 3 days.
Come on.
3 or 4.
I'm so over it. They're those ones where you just want to sleep and don't want to like move. That's the type of headache.
I can't get my eyes off you.
Oh, we're just on the road gonna get food. Oh my god, every time we have a video we're getting food. Huh? Because you didn't cream.
No, man. Oh yeah,
Ziggy doesn't cream his skin. You don't cream your skin.
Oh, this ear, let me can use it.
No.
She was
He wants to use hair oil on his skin.
Up in the bed. We was counting this money.
name is.
It's all good, baby. It's all good.
Used to call me on my cell phone.
Anyways, I made some chicken wraps today. I'm thinking, you know, I'm gonna have like 2 to myself. Ziggy decides to invite the whole world, and I only get 1. Well, his was
But you
fat
go
with
like, you
chicken.
don't like it. You don't like when that people come and eat and then they say, yo, this is bad. PAT dash. I really see.
Whatever, man. Anyways, here's Uncle Squid.
Choppings. High vibes. You know, see me they come across and tell me say, yo, you in the sleep, you see me? Yeah.
Let's go back to sleep, son. It was nice last night, man.
Yeah?
Wow. Getting mad, man.
Vibes was nice last night. Ziggy didn't get to go out because of
Nobody
rain.
touch no road, man, yeah?
You probably were already nice. Cause remember you were drinking from before.
I say me can go pick up that game here and go over Pisil.
I will nobody come video me.
Why?
I got up and say, yeah, man.
I don't know.
That me as well say.
Well,
No, it needs to get fixed.
I can't fix that. So
Right charge.
Hmm?
Go over Pisil, so far.
You know, over there, this man.
Let me check out my
Go
hands.
over here and come back. Left arms and over there.
Guys, Ziggy's helped me wash my hair because I injured my finger last night.
Ah, sure, I'm face.
Why? Why? The water is cold!
I mean, I'm waiting for you.
Ah!
It's that way to push it.
You're doing it on purpose.
Oh, yeah, use it. Shampoo.
All the that one, the face thing. The thing on my face is washed now.
Oh, you Anisha use.
Tresemme.
What name?
Tresemme.
So yo, we are in the G them there, Cave Valley. But yo, we come on one place jerk place here.
Chicken body of fuck.
Yeah?
Chicken body of fuck. I'm coming early now, I check but I'm not coming early tomorrow, you see?
Chicken up. Festival them.
Never am done with the batch.
Soup up. Like
The thing is,
first we are come at this place. But yo, no regrets. Alright. Normally they man and name nothing watch him. Smoking smoke nothing watch him. But yeah. Eh? Y'all look like your rain. PMP and labor right and day we are since PS and drive by. So yo, because of this one piece of traffic just there saying watch it. I feel labor right just pass. I see PFP they will come through. March, you want to march through here?
Kata na ng Jan Jamaica man. You don't know where we are.
Guys, we are anyway, why poppins? Yo, you forget once say yo. Like you know just now video say why knockings, why flickings, or why choppings?
Chop chop.
Why choppings? Where I come from quiet headphone, I say it.
Yeah, we're coming from a headphones party.
Slap me.
It was wicked. We couldn't catch no
I
footage.
know, I'm not really nice fuck this.
We can put our snaps in there. You're so silly. You have your lips on your cheek.
Oh, me have lips on my cheek. How can you fuck with
But yo, the party was sick. It was different. There was like 3 different DJs and you get...
When you can't buy respect, you have to know real wealth.
Anyways, there's 3 different DJs and you got to like switch back and forth which DJ you wanted to go to. So there was like soca on one station, reggae on one, hip hop, but it always switched. It was sick stuff. It just sucks when you're dancing with your partner, you know, you're listening to like 2 different songs, 2 different beats.
All I gotta do is put my mind to this shit.
Goddamn.
Cancel out my ex, I put a line through that bitch. I like all my exes with 2 lines through them shit.